On a road like this, say
it's good passing place on the bend.
If I did go onto the grass, if say this was a route on his hairs,
Yeah.
and I had to go into the grass a bit because they were parked there,
I wouldn't go on that. That'll pull you in.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'd keep on the tarmac if you can down this route especially.
Yeah.
What gear now? Good. Excellent. Bit more gas. You got it. Don't worry too much about the bumps.
It's more about going sideways.
I know. Yeah. Yeah, that grass is dodgy. I think if it's soft, it could pull you.
Yeah.
Could pull you down.
You are trying to kill me here.
It's a good right way in the Southport, this, so if you put up with the bumps. But I think you feel, right, a lot more comfy than that lad behind us in his Fiesta. Good. Don't be afraid of the edge. Good. Smashing. You do see cars down there in the winter.
Exactly.
Go for it a bit faster again. The middle bit's quite nice.
Yeah.
Those bits.
They're fucking horrible.
Like that. Alright, what's coming up?
Give way.
Not quite.
Well.
30 and a bend. What are you going to do? Keep it away. Imagine there's a tractor coming around the bend. What gear now? Good. Excellent. So if you do things a bit earlier,
it's a lot easier.
You'll have it. You'll get it right. If you leave things a bit late and you're a bit fast, end up rushing. Can go wrong. Going left at the end of the road. What gear now for this one?
Oh.
You happy? Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Excellent. Good. Who's gonna go?
It's them, isn't it?
Yeah, good. You happy to go? Yeah, let's keep going. Let's keep going. He has stopped, so yeah.
But I am right though, normally it should have been to stop, isn't it?
Yeah, but what can they see?
A big Kalina car.
And how many cars behind?
Quite a few.
Yeah. So they're probably thinking, you know what, I can't really fit anyway.
Yeah. So I may as well give them the space to do it.
Exactly, yeah. Yeah. Good. Excellent. Bit of gas, get the 30. Good. Yeah, did alright there, it's good. Good choice to make. They had stopped, so I'd make the most of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know what if they were a bit unsure as well? What if they didn't see the sign and they were just unsure? But I think they were thinking, well, there's a lot of cars here, so
Let them
I
go
can't.
through.
Yeah, yeah.